Young Blizzard, the ups and downs and the right and the wrongs, I done been through it all, man. I done been through all that shit you be talking about. The ups and downs, the round and round, I done been through it all. I'm telling you, pussy ass, I done been through it all, man. I've been through it all, I've been through it all, I've been through it all. Let's go. The ups and downs, the round and round, then I done been through it all. I done been through it all. The ups and downs, the round and round, I done been through it all. The ups and downs and the round and round, I done been through it all. Once that shit the mouth, but my bitch a person that you trust a dog, and I can't trust nobody, and I don't love nobody. But I got the 2 or 3 in the closet, gon' bust somebody, gon' crush somebody like a cold drink. Boy, you fucking Blizzard beat. Pussy nigga, you better think I love weed, but I'm moving slow off that fucking drink. That pussy good, and I don't want that pussy. If you thinking I've been through it all, sitting in the jail with no money on bail. Like, man, I'm in hell. I need somebody to pray for me. Whole God make a way for me. That nigga got that 223 trying to spray on me. The ups and downs, the round and round, I done been through it all. I done been through it all. The ups and downs, the round and round, I done been through it all. I done been through it all. I mean the ups and downs, the round and round, I done been through it all. I still remain a fucking dog. The ups and downs, the round and round, man, I done been through them all. Man, I done been through them all. I done been through them all. I done seen bitches still alive. Woo. Her son died. I done seen mama's cry. Woo. Choppers busting. I done seen the bullets chop. Woo. Why the fuck you talking about Blizzard? You don't want to die. It's reason over reason. Why reasons niggas die? Cause niggas run in their mouth and think the bullets don't chop. And you will bet. You thinking you ain't gonna die, but if I do a headshot, then it gonna be a homicide. I know niggas who know niggas who owe niggas a little favor. You a die behind this paper. Bust your head like potato wafers. I'm waiting, real patient. Like Eminem, I'm a real nigga, no killing them. Cut those shit up for my daddy, no. Do it round and round, up and down. I done been through it all. Do it up and down, and round and round. I done been through it all. I done been through it all. Why? Do the ups and downs, in the round and round, baby. I done been through it all. I done been through it all. Through the ups and downs, in the round and round. I done been through it all. I done been through it all. Pussies. I just been through it, you hear me? Yeah, son. I done been through it all. Shit, BT beats and level hustles. Through the ups and downs and round and round. I just wanna let you pussy niggas know I've been through it all.